this assessment asks us to look back at a value calculated in an earlier assessment and tell whether at a higher temperature than what was calculated, will a reaction be favored or disfavored, and then doing the same for the lower temperature. Just to recall, the calculation from the earlier assessment was that at a temperature of around 354.5 Kelvin, delta G would be equal to 0. So the process at that temperature would be neither favored nor disfavored. Note that in this reaction, we have an unfavorable enthalpy and a favorable entropy. Entropy wants to make the reaction go forward. Enthalpy wants to make the reaction go in reverse. So it should stand to reason that if we increase the temperature above that delta G equals 0 temperature, that will make the entropy term more important and give us a negative delta G. At a lower temperature than the delta G equals 0 temperature, now entropy will play less of a role. That will let the unfavorable enthalpy be more important, and the reaction will be disfavored.